Okay, so welcome back to the um, another session on the managing students and also managing your contact. Now, one of the important aspects of setting up, especially if you are onboarding new students and you don't have any of your records in the Telleion system already, but you have it in a spreadsheet or a CSV file. The system gives you the capability to import or bring all the records into the Telleion system. So I'm going to show you how you can do this. It's very simple. So the process will take you through importing the records, um, onboarding the students, and then enrolling the students all in one go. Okay, so you can do that by accessing the profiles and then the contact menu. Now, once you are there, you can choose from the view selector and go to in-transit contacts. Now, once you are on in-transit contacts, you go to the actions and then you see this import or upload admission file. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the location that you have um, your Excel sheet containing your student list or your CSV that contains your student list, and then drag it onto this interface here. So I have mine here. I'm dragging it into there. Now, once you have it placed on, on the on the interface, import interface, click on submit. Now it's going to allow you to choose and map the the various fields. So for example, this first name is a field from the spreadsheet that we are importing. Okay, so you can see that you have your first name. But before then, let's do one thing. Let me cancel this and let me bring the spreadsheet for you to see. Give me 1 minute. So the Excel sheet. So we have the Excel sheet here. So for mine, I've got first name, middle name, last name, class, birth date, gender, address, and then phone. Okay. So these headers are going to be matched with what we have in the system. Is that okay? So right, I'll close it and then I'll go to my actions and then upload admission. And once I'm done that, I will drop it here. So I'll match my first name with the first name, middle name with the middle name, last name with that, birth date with DOB, sex, I think I have gender. Grade level is the grade level that we are trying to bring in, so that will be class. We don't have the languages yet. So if you have your languages in the spreadsheet, you can match it with this religion, you can match it ethnicity, and then this one too, you can match it with, let's say, type in student. Yeah, it won't take it. Yeah. Okay. So all these, you can populate it in your spreadsheet and bring it in. So once you've finished mapping the fields, you can click on the start import. Okay. Now we're going to see that it will bring all the, now it's telling that we have about 400 here. In a short time to bring everything in here. Now whilst it's importing, it tells you how much is remaining. Okay. So now we just left it 34, 24, 14, and it's done. Okay. Now this error file that we see here, I will talk about later, but it means that maybe one or two or some of the records did not go in. All right. So let's see how many have gone in. 436. Um, and let's see what okay, I'll talk about that later on. But we have imported 436 records straight away into our system. Now, the next stage is for you to go back into actions and then activate the express enrollment. Okay, so this will onboard the students and then enroll them at the same time. So if you click on that, say this actually will load multiple records in this. Do you want to continue? Yes. Okay. Okay, we have an error here. Let's see what. Okay, so we are back. So let's go back to this action here and then activate the express enrollment. So let's click on OK. So it tells you that it's completed successfully. So let's see whether it's true. Okay, so let's look at Mensa Samuel. So you can see that Mensa Samuel has a registration and then also an enrollment for 9th January NS2. Okay, Form A, and the status is enrolled. Okay, withdrawal date is in the future, which is good. So that is fine. Let's look at Junior. Junior also has got an enrollment. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So that is good. So now what we need to do is complete we want to sync all the records across the system. So we go back to sync year group. Okay. Okay. These ones are extra records uh, from the spreadsheet. So what we can see is all the records have gone in here. So now you've got a proper student roles. Okay, if we go into admission enrollment, we can see that all our students have been enrolled here. Do you see that? Okay, so we might have to remove this one. These ones came from the SS sheet, but we had not recorded any student names against them. So I think I can comfortably take them out. I don't need them. Yeah. So these ones would away, go away, and that will go away. Okay. So the process is very simple. Okay. So within 5 minutes, you've been able to import all your records into the system. Okay, from the um, in transit view. Okay. All right. Thank you very much.